How we doing, everyone? Today's video is going to be a pretty simple video, a little different from the ones I usually post, but it's going to be a bicycle maintenance video, and it's going to be about how to take a bicycle pedal off and how to put a new one on. So we're taking this one off today, this factory made one, and putting a nice Chesterface race pedal on. During this process, the only tool that you will need to take your pedal off is a Allen wrench that suits this bolt behind your pedal here. Once you find your Allen wrench that suits this bolt behind your pedal here, you want to figure out on which way to twist your Allen wrench to be able to loosen this pedal to get it off your bike. Figuring this out is quite easy too. All you have to do is know which way your bike usually goes. So mine goes this way, as probably all the others do. Stop your bike, and when you twist your Allen wrench, you don't want to go in which way your pedals go. You want to go opposite. So you want to go the way when your tire doesn't move. Once you have that previous step figured out, all you want to do is twist your Allen wrench the opposite way in which way you cycle. So mine is this way. And as you can see, the pedal is already coming off quite easy. And once you get it off like this, it's off. When installing your new pedal, all you want to do is hand twist your threads in first so you get a good base. And by twisting this in, you want to twist in the way your cycling motion goes. So by doing this, all you want to go do is this type of motion, twist her in like this. And once you have a good base and it stays there, you then take your Allen wrench and twist the rest in like this. I want to thank you guys today for watching this video and taking the time to see on how to put a bicycle pedal on and take it off on a bicycle. And if you want to see more of these how-to videos, let me know down in the description. I will start posting more of these videos. Thanks.